This animal behind me was created from cloning. This girl is Elizabeth Ann, and she's a black-footed ferret. The first black-footed ferret to be successfully cloned, and the first animal in the United States to be successfully cloned. Now, black-footed ferrets were officially declared extinct in the wild in 1979 due to habitat destruction and disease that killed the ferrets and their food. This disease, called the sylvatic plague, was killing black-footed ferrets and an animal that made up 90% of the ferret's diet, the prairie dog. But in 1981, a small population was discovered in Mantony, Wyoming, and conservation efforts immediately rushed to the rescue. One of these projects was cloning. In 2020, a group of scientists cloned a female black-footed ferret named Wheela who had no living descendants, but she died in the 1980s. Her cloned offspring would be Elizabeth Ann. See, scientists were hoping Elizabeth Ann would decrease the amount of inbreeding that was happening between black-footed ferrets due to their small population. They claimed her genome had 3 times as much genetic diversity as any ordinary black-footed ferret. But unfortunately, due to health problems, she wasn't able to have children. But that all changed in April of 2024. This is Antonia, and she is one of 2 ferrets that was cloned from the same DNA that Elizabeth Ann was. After mating with a male black-footed ferret at the Smithsonian National Museum, she gave birth to 3 kits. Unfortunately, one of the babies passed away, but the other 2 are still alive and in good health at the Smithsonian. This became a historical mark in conservation programming and cloning, showing that cloning can help with genetic diversity in dying species.